welcome back to my channel. I'm Ariel and today I'm here with Jujube's lovely Freedom Fanny Pack in the print Rose Quartz. Today I packed for a mommy on the go, a day in the sun. So let's see all we can fit inside of here without losing its beautiful oval shape, as you can see, and it's really spacious. I was so surprised when I was packing this one how much I can actually fit inside, and it kept its shape really well. It is perfect. So let's look inside and see what I have for a mommy's day out. The first thing we have inside is my off bug spray. I use this when I'm outside, going to the park, or we're gonna take a walk through the woods. It is deep woods and I definitely need my bug spray because mosquitoes love me, but I do not love them and they attack me and my little girls. So we definitely need bug spray whenever we have a day outside. So that's bug spray and it works really well, keeping those flies away. Next, I have my beautiful Sakura Swirl Bee Set in the small piece. I thought this went so beautifully with the print of the Rose Quartz. So it fit perfectly on the inside. And that's like a comparison size, really. So you can see how much larger it is and how well it fits on the inside. It fit really well in here. For organization purposes, I put it in here. I have my lipstick by Maybelline in the color Rum Richie, and it's actually the one that I'm wearing right now. I love this one. I have some chapstick, I have my eyebrow stuff, just in case you're outside and it's hot and sweaty and you need to retouch your eyebrows, that's in there. And then some change. I have a little onesie, just in case she has those blowouts that, you know, all babies get sometimes and you need to make a quick change. And this is a 0 to 3 month, size 0 to 3 month. And then I have 2 nursing pads, as I am a nursing mommy, so I have to have those on me. I also have 2 number 2 diapers. And then I have some Baby Bum everyday lotion. I haven't used this one yet, but I'm planning to use it and see how I like it. And if I like it, I'll get it in the larger bottle. So that's a tester and I'm going to be testing that out. Next, we have some SPF sunscreen. That's in there too, since you're gonna be all day in the sun. And then we have some wipes. When I don't have room for a big wipe pack, I just put them in a little Ziploc and that fit perfectly in there. I mean, really, this is like Mary Poppins bag where there's so much stuffed inside and really you had no idea that it could hold so much. I'm so happy it does because that means I don't need a big bag or a big anything when I'm going out. I can just take this with me, look super stylish and girly and pretty and still be carrying the world with me. So that's great. And then I have, of course, I need this when I'm out. Oh, the breeze with me because I need to cool off all the time. So this is with me as well. I actually took this on my trip to Disney World with my 2 girls and my husband and it worked wonders. I mean, when you stand in those long lines and the sun is just beating down on you, this was perfect. I mean, we all had one. My 2 little girls had one, my husband had one, and this one's mine and I carry it whenever I know I'm going to be in the sun for a long time. Super useful and I love this. Just get it from Walmart, no problem. And then we have our car keys here, and of course I have my Jujube keychain. I got this one free with a purchase. Not only do I love their things, but I love free gifts and I was really excited to receive this. So that's on my keychain, so fit your keys inside as well. And then you have your cell phone. So I have my cell phone in here as well, and that fit perfectly in this pocket here. So your cell phone can fit perfect in that pocket right there. And then I have some perfume because when you're on a hot day out, you want to put some perfume on, and this is called Euphoria and it smells euphoric. That's my Euphoria by Calvin Klein. It smells really good and that's just a carry along. And also I have a pen. You never know when you need a pen, and your pens can fit right in that side pocket as well. Also, I always keep an extra bobby pin with me wherever I go, because you get those flyaways in the back that you need to pin up and use. So I always keep a bobby pin, or the bun starts to come loose and you need to tighten her. So that bobby pin is for that, because you never know when you need to tighten up your look. And that is all. That is a lot. I fit so much in here, and she is beautiful and lovely. I mean, I call this the heavenly pink cloud look. Like I said in my other video, this is the heavenly pink cloud rose quartz look, and I love it. And she fits so much inside. I mean, all of that in this super convenient fanny pack. So that is my unpacking video for the Jujube Freedom Fanny Pack in the lovely rose quartz print. I'm also may do a comparison video for some prints that I have, because this one goes really well with this. That'll be my next video. A print comparison video? I think so. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you all for joining me today. Bye!